This is needlepointers.com, and today I would like to show you how to make this jack-o'-lantern slime pumpkin jar. If you're having a Halloween party with kids, they would love to make this. To make the pumpkin slime jar, you will need a small jar such as a baby food jar, a mustard jar, relish, or you can purchase small jars from your favorite craft store or online. You'll need orange paint, brown paint, paintbrush or foam brush, black adhesive back felt, wooden spool, and fake pumpkin leaves. We will begin by painting the lid and the spool. Protect your work surface with a piece of newspaper and remove the lid from the jar. Squeeze some orange paint onto a paper plate. Then begin painting the lid. Now I'm putting my first coat of paint on, but as you can see, it looks like it's not going to cover well. So I might have to add a few more layers of paint on there in order for it to cover completely. Okay, let's set this aside and allow it to dry. And after it's dry, I'll put another layer of paint or another coat of paint on there. Now let's paint the spool. Now to do that, what I did is I put the spool onto a pencil because I thought it would be easier to paint it. Squeeze some brown paint onto the paper plate and then start painting the spool. Now you don't have to paint the complete bottom of it because that will be glued onto the lid top, or the jar top, the lid. Okay, set these aside, and what you can do with the spool is you could put the pencil in the jar and then put it so that it will dry. While you're waiting for the lid and spool to dry, let's work on the jack-o'-lantern face that's going to go on the jar. Take your black adhesive backed felt, and on the back of it, I've already done it, I drew a couple shapes for the mouth and the eyes and the nose, and then you want to cut them out. Once you have them cut out, decide how you want to position them on the jar, and then just peel off the backing. And put them on the jar. There you have the jack-o'-lantern face on the jar. After the lid and spool are dry, it's time to put the top together. I'm taking a little bit of hot glue and positioning the leaf on the top. And then I'm going to put hot glue on the spool and put that on the top. And the pumpkin lid is finished. Now comes the last step, making the slime. And we do have a no-fail slime recipe, and there'll be a link in the description section and also on an iCard to our link for making it. Now, I'm going to make this orange, so I'm going to add a couple drops of yellow food coloring and red food coloring. And let's see what color it's going to be. Oh, there. And then mix that completely. And then I add the next ingredient. Now this is the part that kids just love to do, is making slime. So if you're having a Halloween party with kids, this is an excellent project to do. After adding that, just begin mixing. Okay, it looks like I need to add more, because what you want is, after you mix it, you want the slime to go away from the sides of the bowl. That means that it's getting to the right consistency. Oh, it's starting as I'm mixing. It's starting to do it. I can feel it. Okay, I think I want to add just a little bit more of this in there. And when the slime's finished, I'm making a fairly large batch of it this time. Usually I only do a small batch, but because the jar is fairly big, I wanted to do a bigger batch. There you go. Slime, I'm going to put a little of this on my hands to make it easier to work with it. See, it's still a little sticky, so it needs to be worked a little bit more. Now you can leave it sticky like this, or you can add more of the ingredient that makes it go together. And now you can knead it on the table. Now, after you have it to the consistency that you want, then you would put it in the jar. So let me just knead it a little more so it's not so sticky. I continued to knead the slime, and it's now the consistency that I like. So all you have to do now is to put it in the jar. After you have it in the jar, just put on the top and your jack-o'-lantern slime pumpkin is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let your children make some jack-o'-lantern slime pumpkin jars. They will really love it. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. To follow us, click the iCard or the link in the description section. In addition, visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of crafting information and projects.